Hello, dear friends. So in this lesson, we will learn dictionaries and how to use it. So let's start. Dictionaries is a data set that behaves just like a real-life dictionary. However, this data set is inherently different from any data set we've ever seen. Each element in the dictionary is kept as key value, not index. So each key is separated from its value by a colon. The items are separated by commas, and the whole thing is enclosed in curly braces. So an empty dictionary without any items is written with just two curly braces. Keys are unique within a dictionary, while values may not be. So the values of a dictionary can be of any type, but the keys must be of an immutable data type, such as strings, numbers, or tuples. So now let's start by creating our own dictionary. Dict1 equals 0:0, 1:1, 2:2, 3:3, 4:4, 5:5, and so on. Curly braces. Dict1 and run. The result is what you see. All right, so let's try to define an empty dictionary. Dict2 equals curly braces. Now let's define a few more dictionaries that we're going to use in the following examples. Dict3 equals apple, palm, banana, banane, pear, poire, cherry, cerise. Dict4 equals 0, 0, 1, una, 2, dos, 3, tres, 4, cuatro, 5, seis. Now, if you want to, we can check the data type. There you go. So as you can see, both of them are dict data types. So dictionary values have no restrictions. They can be any arbitrary Python object, either standard objects or user-defined objects. However, the same is not true for the keys. There are two important points to remember about dictionary keys. More than one entry per key is not allowed, which means no duplicate key is allowed. So when duplicate keys are encountered during an assignment, the last assignment wins. Have a look at this. Dict5 equals name, John, surname, Doe, job, unemployed, job, software developer. Print Dict5 job keys must be immutable, which means you can use strings, numbers, or tuples as dictionary keys, but something like key is not allowed. Dict6 name, Bentley, model, Brooklands, year, 1997. When we run this code, we get an error. It says unhashable type list. All right, so let's look at the dictionary operations now. To access dictionary elements, we can use the familiar square brackets along with the key to obtain its value. Here the result is 0. The result is poire. And the result is quattro. Please excuse my accent. So we can update a dictionary by adding a new entry or a key value pair, modifying an existing entry or deleting an existing entry. Dict 1. Dict 1. 6 equals 6. Dict 1. The result here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, we can add a new key and value to Dict 1. So let's try to modify an existing entry. Dict 4. Dict 4. 5 equals cinco. Dict 4. And the result is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's about it. So we can either remove individual dictionary elements or clear the contents of a dictionary. We can also delete an entire dictionary in a single operation. For example, Dict 1. That's our dictionary's elements. Now, if we try to remove one element in this dictionary, the result is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, the value corresponding to 6 was deleted with a key value. So now let's have a look at some useful dictionary methods. So when we use the copy method, it returns a shallow copy of dictionary. We create a new dictionary named Dict1C. Dict1C equals dict copy Dict1C. And as you see, Dict1C is a copy of Dict1. Clear is the method that removes all the elements of a dictionary. Dict1C, clear. Dict1C. And as you can see, Dict1C's elements have been removed. Or the items method returns a list of Dict's key value tuple pairs, and the result is Dict items 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The keys method returns a list of all the available keys in the dictionary, and the result is Dict keys 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The update method adds another dictionary key values pair into the dictionary. Now create another dictionary named Dict12. Let's update now. Okay, so do you see what happened? So the result is right there. The values method returns a list of all the values available in a given dictionary. And the result is Dict values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. So In this lesson, we learned about dictionaries, the dictionary operations, as well as some useful methods in Python. We also learned some important points to pay attention to. So do that, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Until then, have a nice day.